Hello people, it's Yazdan here. Welcome back to Decremist, a place where we will show you some hidden gems in the crypto world. So following this idea, I have brought you a new ICO token named as Satoshi. So let's get started. So they run on a protocol named as Proof of Bond. So I will give you a brief history of Satoshi project. Satoshi is a crypto token that runs fully on the Binance Smart Chain network according to the standards of the most advanced smart contract protocols. Satoshi was formed using a technical protocol similar to BTC, which was created according to the Satoshi Nakamoto's proposal. In Bitcoin, we are familiar that it runs on a proof of work protocol. Then at Satoshi, a better protocol is made, known as proof of burn (POB). Satoshi was created for everyone, including you. If you are an investor, you can save long-term Satoshi as a store of value. If you are a trader, you can buy Satoshi and sell when it is profitable. If you are a miner, you can burn Satoshi to receive a block reward every 10 minutes in any wallet. If you are a developer, the Satoshi project is open source and driven by community. Satoshi is the first token in the world to use this new protocol. The protocol uses the logic of burning the token supply in the blockchain and then creating a new token in a pool every 10 minutes. That's amazing. Satoshi can only be obtained at PancakeSwap for 100% Satoshi's tokens. Resilience and decentralization. Satoshi could represent an interesting step forward in terms of securing local and global financial systems. Flexible transparency. All transactions on Satoshis are public and transparent. The identity of perpetrator of the transaction is kept private. Automatic solutions. Satoshi is suitable for use a new generation of fully automated service to reduce operating costs. Let's talk about some tokenomics of Satoshis. The token name is Satoshi, abbreviation is Satos, which is spelled as SATOZ. Decimals are 8. These are 21 million in supply, 50 to 10 minutes mintable rewards, and BSC protocol. Rewards are determined by how much you burn multiplied by the percentage of total burned. Rewards are received forever. They have listed all the market ecosystem and links and social in detail, which is a good thing for an investor to know more about them. So let's have a look at their white paper. They have mentioned on their website. They say there are 3 types of Satoshi holders. Number 1, traders. Users who only buy Satoshi and keep it in their smart wallet and wait for the price to increase as a store of value. Supplier. User who buys Satoshi then burn it and will get Satoshi prices in their smart wallet every 10 minutes automatically. Liquidator. Users who buy and liquidate Satoshi in a pool such as PancakeSwap with the same or different pairs. They have mentioned their Pancake smart contract address here, on which if you click you will go to PancakeSwap, and also mention their contract address of liquidity locks, where you can lock your liquidity. You can just come here and say I understand and connect your wallet from BNB to Satoshi, and you can just buy it from here. Enter the amount of BNB and Satoshi you want of it, and boom, you have Satoshi. So how Satoshi proof of burn works? So what is the block term in Satoshi? Satoshi does not have blocks like Bitcoin because Satoshi is a crypto token that runs completely on Binance Smart Chain network. According to the most advanced smart contract protocol standards, the blocks on the Satoshi are made based on the time steps. Every 60 seconds is equal to 1 block, starting from the first time you burn Satoshi in your wallet. This is the difference between Satoshi and Bitcoin, where the first Satoshi block start reward based on the time each holder start burning in his personal wallet. This is where Satoshi is fair compared to Bitcoin. So they are listed on CoinMarketCap, and the best gainer, they are on number 9 with a gain percentage of 107.18%. Their live price now is 0.6, and their graphs looks quite amazing because it was on 0.12 and then it have a dip and a lot of up down, which was low, and here people invested a lot and it rise to 0.15, then it have another dip, and here people invested a lot in it, and now it's on 0.6. You have invested a lot here because it goes from 0.1 to almost 0.6 something, and that's huge. If you want to invest in it now, it is also a best opportunity because the price is low. It may rise in future and you can earn 100x from it. So the live Satoshi price today is 0.6 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of 3 billion USD. Satoshi is up 143.96% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is 2614 with a live market cap of not available, the circulating supply is not available, and the max supply of 21 million Satoshi coins. If you would like to know where to buy Satoshi, the top exchanges for trading in Satoshis are currently Bitmart, Hotbit, and Dodo BSC. You can swap it on PancakeSwap. So that was all up for charts. Let's have a look of if they have a roadmap or something on their website, because roadmap is very important. So the investor should know that what are the goals of this project and what are they going to do next. So I can't see a roadmap here on their website or their white paper, which is quite I don't know why didn't they have a roadmap. They should have a roadmap. So let's talk about some socials, because social media activities show that how active a project is and what AMS or events are they organizing in their future. Or starting with their Twitter is named as Satoshi's Official, with a follower of almost 1,600 with 57 tweets. Their last tweet was on May 2, and before that on April 20. They aren't very active on their Twitter. They should get active because they are on Best Gainer, and they should get active on Twitter so that people would know that what this project is in and what is is it going to do any AMA or any event, so people would take more interest in it. They also have a forum like Bitcoin Talk. Their forum is named as satoshistalk.organization, where they do their announcement and other stuff you can get updated too. They also have a GitHub where their source codes are available and it's for free. You can use it for yourself. A BSC scan report, a product of Etherscan, shows that 88,738 transfers are made on 5,602 addresses. In 11, you can see the transfers here. PancakeSwap is the most used website here. You can see the last transaction 11 seconds ago, 1 minute. You can see that a lot of people are taking interest in it, and people are trading here every second and every minute here. So people are mad about these projects, which is named as Satoshi. They have a family of 17,728 members, where 588 are online. Their Telegram is named as Satoshi Official Proof of Burn. Let's join their Telegram to see how active their admins are. Here I got the channel, join. A lot of people are talking in their group. Most of them are investors, and some of them are just here to take in information about this token, so invest in it later. This is a good period for you to invest in this project, because you can gain 100x from it, and its price is still low and tokens are a lot there. It also provides many block rewards where you can burn rewards. I will tell you in detail about that. So how to get rewards on Satos? To get a reward, you must burn your token on Satos platform. After doing this, the reward will be distributed to every 50 Satos every 10 minutes with an even distribution of total token burned. Reward will be obtained forever until a token back up to 21 millions. So how does the proof of burn protocol work? Satoshi is the first token in the world to use this new protocol. The protocol uses the logic of burning the token supply in the blockchain and then creating a new token to the pool every 10 minutes. And so another question arises, that where do the burn reward come from? The reward comes from a new minted token with the max token is 21 million Satoshi. Satoshi is saved on the smart contract. How much price will you get from burning Satoshi? You will get a price in every 10 minutes. The price distributed is 50 Satos. The calculation is obtained from the personal percentage that you burn to the total supply that has been burned. The bigger you burn, the bigger the portion you get from a total of 50 Satos in 10 minutes. So as an overview, I would say that this project has a new idea of proof of burn, which is amazing. I like it personally. If you want to invest in it, you can. This is a good opportunity for you to invest in it. This is not a financial advice. You should do your own research first. I will leave the website link of this Satoshi project in the description below, where you can check it out yourself. Check out their white paper for more technical details and clear your doubts. So this was all up for today. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decremist, a place where we will show you some hidden gems in the crypto world. So if you want to support us, I will leave our Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description below, where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. Thank you.